What's going on here? I don't know. I don't know that myself. Anyway, this is Sapphire Mouse here, and welcome back to another episode of Pokemon LeafGreen. Last time, we actually got a 7th badge and made it here to the Sevi Islands. And in this part, before we go deliver that meteorite that Bill asked us to do, there was something I would like to do. If I can... I guess as soon as I was gonna put a repel up, the game's like, oh, you don't need one, and then a few steps later... Anyway, again, before that meteorite is delivered, there are a few things I would like to do, if I know where I'm going. If these two karate guys would let me pass. Anyway, if you could go in here is the light, the fire, and art in your hearts, the Ember Spa. Well, this is not required, but, there is an HM here that you're all actually able to follow and get. This guy. Hot springs go hand in hand with volcanoes. The Ember Spa here, well, I made it years ago. I healed the giant pool right out of a gigantic boulder by hand. I was using this at the time. I suppose I can't part with it. And with that, we get HM06 Mark Smash. That shatters boulders as if they were made of crack. Okay. Apparently, boulders are now crackers. Time for a cracker, guys. Anyway, I guess aside from that, there is actually one main thing on here that I would like to be able to catch before doing that meteorite and whatnot. If the game were allow me to not be interrupted with anything. Anyway, time to go to Mount Ember. What's going on here? I know, using strength. Anyway, there are a few... I guess it's not that. Now, you're all able to use Rock Smash to use that if you teach it to a Pokemon that's able to learn it. But I have no interest of doing that whatsoever. Because who needs Rock Smash? But I guess with that though, I guess if you end up using it on these boulders, I believe there was a chance you would be able to find a Geodude or Graveler. If my memory serves me correctly. Anyway, time to use... I was about to say Rock Smash. No, I would like to use Strength, because to be able to get here. And guess what I found? Anyway, the last of the 3 legendary birds for this game, for Gen 1, is MolTRES, a fire flying type. It's not the absolute best, but it can do a buttload of damage with just flamethrower. But that goes Pidgeot. Anyway, since MolTRES, just like with Articuno, has a 4 times weakness to rock type, so I'm not sure if it's the absolute best to be using for stuff like competitive or whatever, but if any of you guys plan on using it for something, I guess you can be unique about it. Oh god, I thought that was a burn or something. But if you can use it for competitive or something, I guess you can try and be unique and with any of the birds and see what you can use it for. You never knew. I don't know, because there's always a chance one will be able to find a unique way to use any Pokemon in general. But you never knew. Excuse me? Yeah, excuse me, MolTRES, but my memory is serving me correctly. Articuno and Zapdos, gave me a very easy time with catching them, and now you're giving me a hard time. What's up with that? Excuse me? But I would like to catch you. Thank you very much, MolTRES. Come on. MolTRES, your two other friends were giving me a awesome time by... oh, crap. This is how we're gonna defeat it. Oh, I guess not. As soon as I say that... I'm glad that didn't do too much. Excuse me, MolTRES, but can you please stop giving me a difficult time and let me catch you? Pardon me? What's going on here? I know. MolTRES is giving me a very hard time. Oh god, those... God. I hate it when you're like playing on your own, you end up having like an extremely difficult time trying to catch a Pokemon, but, well, catch a legendary in general, but when you are doing a recording or whatever, you end up having an easy time. Except for right now. Because apparently MolTRES wants to be extremely difficult with me. Again, MolTRES, your two friends gave me an easy time. Okay, at least it's... I'm not gonna say it because I'm probably gonna end up... I'd probably end up jinxing it if I did. Come on, MolTRES. I know you want to be caught, you just don't want to admit it. Come on. Ugh. Because one would think that I would be able to catch it. Because it'll get to 2, but not to 3. Come on. Or it'll stay at 1. I don't know. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see. Come on. 1. Come on, MolTRES. I know you want to be caught, but apparently you don't want to be caught, and I don't know why. I'll be back. Come on. Come on. Ugh. Why do we even have this lever? I don't know. That's something I actually wonder myself. Nope, just one shake. Yay. And there goes my whole team. I'll be back again. Second time where that has happened, where I get 3 shakes, but it doesn't want to freaking work. Come on. 1, 2. Why can I... MolTRES, I would like to catch you, but apparently you don't want me to catch you at all. Come on. Come on, MolTRES, I know you want to be caught. Come on. Again, apparently MolTRES does not want me to freaking catch it, and I have absolutely no idea why. Well, I guess it is legendary, so I guess the legendaries have like a low catch rate, so I guess that's understandable why it doesn't want to be caught. Come on, MolTRES. I know you want to be caught, you just don't want me to catch you. Finally! God. It took way too long. Anyway, MolTRES, a flying Pokemon. It is said to be the legendary bird of fire. Every flap of its wing creates a dazzling flare of flames. No, I do not want to nickname it, because I do not have any plans of using it since I already have some Pokemon that I have, or whatever it is. If I know where I'm going... Go me! I apparently don't know what to do anymore! Except to run into a wild Machop. Hold on, do I have a escape rope by any chance? Oh, I do. Oh, drat. Because I can't use it. Whee! Come on. But anyway, I guess where I'm at is, since I'm trying to get out of here, if you're actually playing the original game, like Pokemon Red and Blue, you would actually be able to find MolTRES, and I don't know why, but you will be able to find MolTRES in Victory Road in the original instead of the remakes in this game where you can find MolTRES in Mount Ember, which as you can tell, the Sevi Islands aren't part of the original, but at least it adds a little extra. Anyway, time to go to, what is it? 2 Island? Oh, pfft. I'm a nerd for remembering that. Anyway, I guess the Cape Drink or whatever is something that I would kind of recommend checking out. You don't have to, but I guess it's something that's different, because if you go into this house and talk to her, I perfected the ultimate move of its type, but will no one take it for future use? Oh, wait. No, oh, wait, no. I don't know what... Why do I have Magneton in the first lane? Anyway, if you talk to her, make sure to have your starter up front. Well, in the first slot. Oh, this is the one. This is the Pokemon. This Venusaur is worthy of learning my ultimate move. Will you allow it? Will you allow your Venusaur to learn my Frenzy Plant? Now, this move is only known for only being able to be learned by the starter Pokemon. Like, if you ever if you chose Blastoise or have any other water Pokemon, wild starters, that she would teach it Hydro Cannon. If you have a fire starter, she would teach you Blast Burn. Or if you have a grass type like I do, she would teach you Frenzy Plant. Let's see. Well, of course I want to see. Let's see. Okay, Frenzy. And I guess these ultimate moves are also kind of equivalent to a Hyper Beam. I guess is what I can put it. Let's see. His power is 150, but with accuracy of 90. I guess I would delete Razor Leaf. I know it's probably not the best idea, but I didn't think I could teach that move while I still lived. I don't know what you thought, but okay. But whatever, I guess after that, I guess we are gonna be able to go to the Skip and Chomp Joyful Game Center. If we go in, we see a man running around. Now, where's Lostelle gotten to today? She always brings me lunch every day right about now. You there. Are you a friend of Lostelle's? Have you seen Lostelle around? I don't know where she might be. She should have been here long ago. Lostelle's so cute. She got my looks. So, what if something happened to my Lostelle? Please help me find her. Please go search 3 Island. I don't know how that's legal, but okay. Those clowns. They said they'd be waiting on this island, but so where are they? Hey, you. Is this the only 3 Island around here? Try walking up before you go crawl out of bed, you punk. This is 2 Island. Move it. Get your filthy motorbike out of my place. Oh, gotcha. These islands are confusing. I don't know how that's legal to be able to drive a motorcycle or whatever inside a building, but pokey logic, I guess. Anyway, since we won't be able to deliver that meteorite, I guess the only thing we can do is go to 3 Island and be able to do so. Anyway, I guess I'm going to end it here for now. So, next time on Pokemon LeafGreen, we are going to be, hopefully, finding Lostelle, the Game Corner's daughter, and hopefully be able to deliver the meteorite. So, see you guys then.